From Victory Auto Lock. I just turned my Smart Pro on and letting it boot up. We're on a 16 Renegade. Earlier I had made a key for it, but I wanted to show you a nice feature once you've searched the pin on a particular vehicle. We go to Jeep and go to 15 to 17 procs. Gonna hit program immobilizer. We're not going to hit read pin. Yes, turn our hazards on. Okay, add procs. There's our pin number. Okay, it stored it, and that's a nice feature. A really nice feature depending on what kind of subscription you have. You know, if it's completely token based, it can save you some money. It certainly saves you time. So it's a really nice feature. Once again, this is Blair from Victory Auto Lock for advanced diagnostics. Thanks.